Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and terrifying Five Nights at Freddy's 2 dimension. I just hope none of the animatronics try to cut my head open and take my brain out, because that would be really scary, guys. Although it would be smart of them to do, because then they would probably create the most smartest animatronic ever. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 white wool. You're going to place 5 of those on the ground, just like that. Then you're going to need fur black wool. You're going to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your white wool, just like that right there, guys. After you have done that, you want to go ahead, jump on up, grab your white wool, and place 5 of those on this side, guys, with 1 black wool right on top. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a Freddy, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and place 5 white wool on this side, guys. And then you just want to go ahead and place 5 white wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle. Now you just want to go ahead and place 1 black wool right on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 dimension. This dimension is going to be so scary. Oh my god. Oh my god, I knew it was going to be scary, but I didn't think it was going to be this scary. Oh my god, guys. You know what? I need some protection in this dimension. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spawn my pig. Are you going to protect me, pig? Are you going to keep me safe? He's looking at me like, no way. No way I'm keeping you safe. Oh my god. Are you really going to be a chicken? He's really going to be a chicken. You know what? It's a good thing I fed him all those potato chips, because now he can't leave me. They went straight to his hips. They went straight to his piggy hips. That's right, guys. He's not leaving me. But oh my god. Right here's the men's and the women's. What is this? Bathrooms? Wow, these are really, really clean. The janitor must be doing his job. You know who's probably the janitor? The janitor's probably Foxy. He's probably the janitor. He's probably the one that's been cleaning all these bathrooms. Him or Freddy. Probably Foxy, though, because he got that hook and he can really get down into the toilet and scrub it and everything, guys. So he probably is the one doing it. Yeah, he most definitely is the one doing it, guys. If anybody's the janitor, there's no way I'm letting you in there, pig. You're not going to dirty up that bathroom. But oh my god, right there's a zombie. You want some of me, bro? Boom, take that to the face. Oh, shut that. Boom, take that to the face. Oh, wow, did you guys see that? He didn't even get one hit in on me, guys. And oh my god, right over there's a creeper. I'm going to knock his socks off. I'm definitely going to knock his creeper socks off. Come on, come on, come on. Boom to the face. Oh, watch this, guys. Watch this. Boom to the face. And, oh, he didn't even explode on me. Wow, that was amazing, guys. And, oh, my God. Right there's Foxy. Oh, my God. Is he going to dance for us? Is he going to sing for us? Is he going to do something for us? No, it don't look like he's putting on a show. Maybe he's broken. Maybe he's just broken. You know what? Maybe I need to fix him. You know what? Maybe all I need is one good tap and it'll fix him. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I think he's fixed. I think he's fixed. Oh my god, he's gonna kick my butt. Oh my god, he's gonna kick my butt. Oh my god, hopefully he don't find me, guys. I'm hiding. Oh my god, he found me. Oh my god, he found me. Oh my god, I'm running. I'm running. Oh my god, hopefully he can't get me because I'm up on the table. Maybe he won't be able to get me, guys. Oh my god, he's definitely able to get me. He's definitely able to get me. Maybe I can outsmart him by going around the table. Oh my god, I think this might actually work. Oh my god, no, he's just too fast. He's just too fast, and he's hit me with his poop scooper. Oh my god, back off of me. I don't want you to hit me with that handed. What are you doing, pig? Get him. Oh my god, my pig ain't even helping me out. My pig ain't even helping me out. I think he might be upset because I didn't let him use the bathroom. And oh my god, I'm running. Oh my god, guys. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe he is beating me up like that. Oh my god, maybe he's upset because I called him a janitor. Maybe he heard everything I was saying. Maybe he was watching me on the cameras. You know what? I'm going to blow you up with TNT. You better not come at me, bro. You better not come at me. I will pull your eye patch off. And I will also pull your batteries out. You know what? I'm going to light it up, guys, and watch. I'm going to explode him. He's going to fly to the moon. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Maybe I'm going to fly to the moon. Oh, my God. He survived. Oh, my God. He actually survived. I cannot believe that, guys. I cannot believe that. You know what? Forget about him. I'm not even going to fight him, guys. Forget him. I'm not even fighting him. And oh, my God. Oh, my God. Whoa. He is quick. Oh, my God. He is really quick. How did he catch back up with me? Boom. Take that. Boom. Take that. Oh, my God. He might actually be indestructible, guys. I might not be able to destroy him. Oh, my God. Is there off switch? Can I turn you off? Where's your off switch at? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. He has really beat me up, guys. I don't even think the skeleton likes him. I think the skeleton might be shooting him, guys. And oh, my God. He is really laying it in on me, guys. He's almost laying it in on me as bad as he lays it in on the toilet. And oh, my God. Oh, my God. Back off of me, Foxy. Back off of me, Foxy. Oh, my God. Wow. He is really strong. And oh, my God. He still beat me up. Even though the skeleton's clearly shooting him, he still beat me up. And boom, take that, bro. Oh, my God. Whoa, we really went flying. And oh, my God. I think I finally got rid of him, guys. I think I finally did it, guys. I think I finally got rid of him. Yeah, I don't see him, guys. Thank God. I finally did away with him. So he won't be bugging me no more, guys. He definitely won't be bugging me. And oh my God, I didn't get rid of him. Oh my God, I cannot believe that. I cannot believe he actually survived. You know what? If he survived all that, he deserves to survive. You know what? If he was upset at me for calling him a janitor, you know what? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But if you guys did enjoy this video and did enjoy seeing me beat up on Foxy, but mostly get beat up by Foxy, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.